All you not call the woman name, you don't like the woman. Because when you see a man come out, come talk a bag of things about the girl. You just hypocritical. So, whoever you is, Chelsea, I don't know, keep Richard get Pitney, so I don't know what you're talking about. Me tell you, the girl is not special. No disrespect to the girl, because me and her don't have nothing, but what I mean, she's not special, I mean, she's not the first to get pregnant after me and the man break up. You see me? So, she's not special. None at all. And just like such man I use Rosalie to get for the fame.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if minute upon the beating it can see. Upon the screen, all heap go on the week, yeah. You know my people, I'm not gonna lie to you. All heap. So it's extremely important to watch to the end of the video so you don't miss a thing. Obviously, we want to kick it off with Miss Chin because boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, she is insinuating that Akeem and her baby daddy, Kingmixup, are nothing but users and clout chasers. And that's why them there with who them there with right now and not the one who they truly care about. You see, I say, put in the comment section if you agree with that. Because you know, say, TikTokers, Kizzy and Rosalie are some of the biggest thing on them. You know what I mean? And we say, oh, Akeem, I don't want to say get back in career, but yeah, Rosalie definitely breathed life into it. And that's why Miss Chin said, Kingmixup breed Kizzy for trapper. You know what I mean? Because man want back in career. You see, I said.
The same thing other people are do. Them not have no career, them not no music, them not no hit songs, so them have to just try use somebody to get a clout. So what are you saying? Tell me what you really are saying. For 26 years, me know my baby father for. I can tell you everything about him. I can write a book about him. I can tell you at the end. I can tell you at the end, baby. I don't bad mind a soul. I saw me the young and in love and fool. I saw me the man-centered, baby father-centered.
Now, the next trending videos I see out of Jamaica have to deal with Dancehall King Vybz Kartel. Yes, because you know, say, Dancehall sex symbol in a bag of things, you know. One burner than and in a desolate places. And the fans them is noticing things. As you can see, I'm birthday party. Him and him new thing. I forgot her name. I forgot. It became like, I think her name is Michaela or something like that. You know, she work with Club Taboo and things and things. This is my say. But yeah, them say one burn it down and in a desolate places and sit them, and she is quite okay with it. This is my say, my people. Put in the comment section what do you think about Vybz Kartel and Cory Todd linking up though. You see me, because that is one of the trending videos we see out of Jamaica today. You see me, say, you know, same shell down January 7th on his birthday. And you know, say, when them showed up on the scene, me and them Popcorn post one video with Cory Todd and Vybz Kartel before them post it up to the world, you know. So it look like a Popcorn set the link. And you know, say, Kartel, like I said, is friendly with the taboo girl, them. And you know, say, Ishi is still cool with the taboo people, them Cory Todd and Shamatan. This is my say, and you know, say Unruly Squid is cool with all of these people too. This is me, so it look like say them put in a good word for Cory Todd for go link back up with the king because you know say he's planning on keeping his birthday party in Club Live this Sunday. So you know say Club Taboo would have been in doo-doo. You know what I mean? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, but boy, yeah. What a good look for dancer. Now, a lot of people is saying that Cory Todd should have never let Kartel back in him circle and all of these things. But it's obviously Cory Todd ran up in the Kartels. I'm not going to say circle, but presence again, based off of this. Unity is strength. Yeah. So people, just like that. If you can't beat the system, you better join them. You see what I'm saying? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, Crux. What on the officer now, you see me? Anyway, let's proceed to the next.
Money on over here Cause me no fuck Batty. Me no suck pussy. Me no fuck man again.
Okay, people, I played that video for educational purposes only, because as you can see, World Dog ex-friends, I come out to talk about a thing, you know, because yesterday them catch World Dog on one boat fish ride with him girl, like him and girl, him and them girl one like twice every boat ride. I gotta try to say like that, cause you know some swim arounds and thing, but dog not supposed to be around. You feel me? So me just to play that for educational reference purposes before we listen to what him ex-friend has said. You see me?
I tell you, pussy. Hey boy, chopper, make up your mind. Me a girl or me a boy, make up your mind, cause you so contradicting. You want people to hate me so bad, Mr. World Dog. You want me to be hated so bad. World Dog, this is why we don't speak. Let me educate everybody. Since you really want me to take it there, let me tell everybody why we don't talk. I kept a yacht party for my birthday last year in August. You decided to bring somebody with you knowing you have a woman at home. You, not me. I never tell you to bring nobody with you. You decided to bring a girl with you, right? Now, whatever pictures you took with this girl on my boat, because I didn't even know you took pictures. If anybody was on my live, no, Dr. Elisa, no. Nobody not going to tell me if it suck out my mother. After my mother come at your blood clot, yeah, and I help you with your youth, then you're going to tell me if you go suck out my mother. This is why Abel, you know, I'm not ready for go to say it. Right? You decided to come to my yacht party with a female. I never tell you to bring nobody. You decided to do that. Nevertheless, I play it off. But upon my live stream, and I make sure y'all cuss me and tell me say, if I plan for the upon my live for my entire birthday, I say, but on my birthday. You understand? On my birthday. What the fuck you care if I'm on my live? As long as I don't let nobody know what you got going on in the background, it should not be an issue. You decided to bring somebody to my yacht party. I didn't tell you to bring nobody. Anyway, you take pictures with the girl. Yannick happened to get a photo of you and the girl. You call my phone 1 o'clock in the morning. I go tell me about how my friend them send Yannick picture. My friend them and Yannick don't even talk. My friend and Yannick don't even talk. The other girl and Yannick talk. But my friend, when me invite, don't speak to Yannick. Right? You come and you accuse the people them and say them send the picture go give Yannick. Not knowing say, this girl where you carry come don't know how to hold side girl roll. And she want to be wife so bad. So because she wants to be wifey, she did what she did to mash up your love life. And you blame everybody around you except you and your actions. Right? Miss World Dog, come here. Come make me tell you say enough for trouble me, you know. Come here, Miss World Dog. You say me not like one sauce because him click him live last year.
Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Anyway, people, let us proceed with the next year. Our big things and I have to come defend Rosealee and Akeem again.
The minute them depend the black with friend. I saw the cheating start because I have a fractal MC. Sometimes I be have some man who got road for cheat and just go and build with them friend, you know. But them don't want them friend to make them look like them and one little, you know. So them have to do little calling and you know that one little call might be that the girl there pass 100 times and I wait for him just say one word. So me no business where nobody wants to me lock up for me one in a house. Yeah, so any man we want me, if you can't take a lockdown, nobody come. Nobody come can use minds. So Rose hang on pan Akeem. Hang on. Cause the mount a shark. Me I tell you no. The mount, hey, me I tell you no. Una have to know hairdresser meet me upon road. And I said them I give me a ear look at them love my son and re. I don't go.
Yeah, and if you want to hear what more Annie has to say, you can go on my Boom Bye Bye news channel because the people them just jealous of Rosalie. Yeah, my people, let's talk the good honest truth. I am just a messenger, and Annie say, only jealous than Rosalie. I'm no worse than Rosalie. And if it wasn't for her good son coming into Rosalie life, God knows where Rosalie would be today. Listen, man, I say, right now, girl is in a new space. She's doing her hair, getting her nails done. All type of good things, you know, that she never do with Jakes, you know. It's a man say, and the people them want to break up the happy home because of what? I don't know. So on the swing from my Boom Bye Bye news channel and subscribe to it. As well as over here, so if you haven't done so already, and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest in dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips.